do some fitness, we need our personal trainer, Rosalie Brown.
So great to be here. Oh, thanks, and especially on a wet, rainy day. You know, you don't appreciate your treadmill more. Matter of fact, this whole year, I don't think I've ever appreciated my treadmill more because of the copious amounts of snow. Now it's wet. And bottom line, the number one key to your exercise success, your wellness success, your health and fitness goals is consistency. And as you mentioned, walking is such a great way to get those goals. You know, matter of fact, the Arthritis Society of Canada actually recommends walking as a drug-free way to help lubricate your joints. Motion is lotion. You know, we're here early on a Sunday morning and your bones and joints can feel a little achy, creaky. Perhaps you worked out a little bit too hard. One of the best ways to get your body to feel better is to move your body. And it doesn't have to be hard. You don't have to get breathless. I think that's a really misnomer that it has to, you have to be uncomfortable to get results. And that's the furthest thing from the truth.
I agree. And it's something about goal setting. You can keep it simple. Small, measurable milestones. Keep a track. You know, let's go back to basics. Get a calendar, a paper calendar, and every day you put an X beside that walk that you've done. And days like today aren't holding you back.
And it's so funny because I still do that. I have a giant calendar. I don't know why I enjoy so much Xing off the calendar. Right. And also realizing that, you know, when people say, oh, I work out a lot, and I say, do you work out most days a week? Well, most days a week equal 4 days a week. So are you getting those X's 4 times? When you have the equipment and the right equipment into your home, you can do that. Now, Maxine, I've been here at TSC, this September will be 30 years. And I have seen the evolution of treadmills. And it is such a pleasure that treadmills have become incredibly affordable and usable. Because gone are the days, I remember where they had to be either in the basement or a separate room because you couldn't store them and fold them away. They were big, giant monsters.
Clunky, yes.
Right, with incredible programs, which, matter of fact, many people did not use. Because when we survey treadmill users and say, when you get on your treadmill, what do you do on your treadmill? And most people just hit the speed button. And they were watching their favorite television program. So to bring this into your home where you're living, this means you're going to use it more. And when you use it more, you get the results you desire.
Exactly. Well, we actually have 3 colors to choose from. I love this powder blue I'm walking on. We also have the taupe, and then, of course, a classic all black. Now, Rosalie, this is a 3-in-1.
Right.
Even the way I've set up mine to how you've set up yours is a massive difference. I actually have a full tabletop here.
Right, and in all my 30 years at TSC, this is the first treadmill that we've had with a removable desk. And it's a nice, large desk size. So whether you're gonna place your laptop on it, your cup of coffee, your tablet, your phone, because let's face it, we do a lot of things with technology, whether it's watching a television. If you ever check your screen time, a lot of times screen time means inactive sitting time. If you just change your screen time into walking time, and to do that, you can go at the slowest speeds. This treadmill goes from 1 kilometer up to 12 kilometers. So when you're multitasking or when you're working, you're going to be working with the slower speeds or even rehabbing. This is a uni-body design treadmill, which means it's very secure, it's very stable, it's very solid. You'll appreciate the side arm bars that include all your controls, plus heart rate monitor. So for those of you out there that have had cardiac issues or you're on medications where your doctor has recommended that you keep your heart rate within a specific zone, you get all that data input instantly. The display screen is very, very large. You don't need your readers to see your steps, the time, the distance that you spent on your treadmill. And if you do need to store it away, super, super easy. Now, this is the controls right here. These 2 silver lines right there is where I place my hands on that to get an instant heart rate reading. So one of the readings will have a flashing heart, and that will tell me where my heart rate is. And just above that, on my right side, I have my speed, and on my left side, I have my start and stop. It's very simple. It's very easy to use. This comes to you fully assembled, 100%. You're ready to go. You're ready to get those steps in. And why we want to get those steps in, Maxine, the benefits, the list, it goes on
Endless,
and on.
truly.
And as a matter of fact, walking is one of the most beneficial things you can do to affect your health positively.
That is absolutely correct. It's movement in general. I love how you say motion is lotion. I am going at a very slow pace today, Rosalie. My hip is bothering me. It doesn't have to be intense. It doesn't have to be uncomfortable, like you said.
Right.
But the fact that we more and more are sitting more in our day, we're getting into the car, we're driving, we're coming back, we're not getting as many steps as we used to. And now with technology, the ability that we can track our steps, we can actually measure this and get to that 10,000 step goal at our own pace.
Right, and as a matter of fact, walking is one of the #1 things recommended for rehabilitation. Whether you have a knee issue, a hip issue, a shoulder issue, a bicep issue, why it's recommended for rehabilitation? Because the basis to our good health is movement. When we move our body, we start to increase our oxygen uptake, and that energizes us. So if you're sick and tired of feeling sick and tired, we need to add a little movement into your life. But when you start walking, it increases your blood flow, your circulation from top to bottom. Your heart is your #1 pump muscle, but the legs are #2 with regards to your calves. So with that, what you find is that you increase that blood flow circulation, and that's how our cells stay nourished. You know, Maxine, we hear often that 70's the new 60, 60's the new 50,
Amen.
50, right?
Yes.
And why we're hearing this is because we now have the knowledge, we have the
Right.
information, and we're putting that information to use. You know, as a 63-year-old grandmother, I'm so happy that we have all this information on how to keep our bodies young, healthy, strong, active, lubricated. And walking is one of the biggest things that you can do, as proven by medical statistics. Matter of fact, you lower your chances of diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's. But this really adapts, as we're seeing on screen now, to anyone, whether you want to walk, jog, and so many of us are working from home.
Oh, yes.
And again, the speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour, and they go up by 0.1. So it's not like having 12 different speeds. It's like having 120 different customizable speeds.
That's right. And that is so important because there's nothing worse than the fear of going too fast.
Right?
So to be able to go at 0.1 difference every single time is giving you exactly the pace that you want. You can go a little bit faster and then, oh, I got to take the business call. Let me take it down and just do a stroll. They say that when you're moving, you're actually changing your brain altogether. So if you ever get, unfocused at work, or you're working on a big problem, they actually say, get up and go for a walk.
Yes.
So you can actually do that and still stay at your workstation. And now the inspiration is flowing. It completely changes our chemical being.
It really does. We always talk about fitness with the body connection, but the mind connection is huge. There has been numerous steps no matter what your age, from children to adult, that you actually perform better on test scores, memory scores, and you're actually more creative when you have that movement in your life.
Wow.
Again, for those of you that work from home, this is a game changer because many of us have thought about doing a working walk station. To buy a separate desk, you would basically double the cost. Here, your desk is included. It snaps on, it snaps off. So again, and it also has a tablet holder. So whether someone in your family wants to walk, run, again, get those extra steps while watching their favorite television program. And on average, Maxine, we watch between 27 and 32 hours of television a week as Canadians.
Wow.
Yes, we love our TV viewing.
We do.
So your binge watching can become binge walking.
I love it.
And again, you don't have to get sweaty.
Right.
You just have to move your body.
Well, let's just talk about the lack of noise that
Right.
this machine emits. So your volume on the television doesn't have to be 100 to do both at the same time.
Exactly.
This is really quite, this is almost nothing at all.
Exactly. And the great thing about that is that you get to spend time with your family, because I think a lot of people, you know, they find that they don't have time, they're busy at work, whether they're with the kids or with the grandkids. Here it allows you to do both, to get those steps in while you're with the family. You don't feel like you're being punished because
Secluded,
you're going,
yeah.
right. And I truly believe, because we now can have these amazing units right where we live, our living room, our bedrooms, they no longer become, I think in the past, because the treadmill was so stationary, people would put their clothes on it. But now, because it's in your living room, living area, you know, you're more bound to use it. When I'm sharing my diet tips with my clients, I often have them say, remove all the sabotaging things that are going to sabotage your diet out of the house. So out of sight, out of mind. The truly opposite thing works with fitness. When this is your visual reminder. I used to be a trainer at a gym, and the number one thing, Maxine, I would hear at the gym is, I wish I could get to the gym more. You know, when you we are so fortunate to be able to bring gym quality products right into our home, so we can use it when we're ready. And we now know that little bits of fitness make a big impact, especially, Maxine, if we move after meals.
Yes.
Which was designed for diabetics initially. We found that when you moved your body after you ate, it lowered your blood sugar levels. Well, for those of us that aren't diabetic, this can help keep your weight in check, help with weight loss. And Maxine, they're even now finding that movement after meals also lowers your blood pressure.
Okay.
So, you know,
important.
Right? If your doctor has said we've got to take a look at medication or other ways to keep your body healthy and strong, walking is one of the most impactful ways that you can probably alleviate some of those aches and pains.
Walking is lower impact, and bringing it into the home gives you a level of comfort. Number one, no one's looking at you.
Right.
You don't have to worry about what you're wearing. You don't have to commute to get there. But then you're also controlling, of course, the environment in terms of if it's raining, it's snowing, no excuses, but also the level of the surface.
Yes,
that
it's
you're
much
not
safer.
tripping, it's not uneven, you don't have to plan your route in advance. So it actually makes it so much easier. Look how small and compact this design is, that you can easily roll it away if you didn't want to keep it out.
Right. Again, super, super easy to store. Again, that there's testing the durability. And for those of you that do love your, say, group environment or group training, there is also an app that comes along with this.
Oh, cool.
So you get your walking classes. But as many of you also know, I have a very active YouTube channel where I've done workouts. We do interval walking workouts. I have you do bone building workouts with your treadmill. I have you do backwards walking on your treadmill. So we can keep it super, super interesting no matter what your fitness goals are. But bottom line, you're not too late. You're not too old. It's never too late to get started with a great program. And as you can see, if you already do have a desk at home that you use,
Like a standing desk.
right, it is so, so simple to move this into any position, anywhere in your home. Again, it is made of tubular steel, so it is quite solid. It's a unibody design. It comes to you fully assembled. All you have to do is take the key and unlock it and decide whether you're gonna pop on. And again, this just pops on.
It just rests right on top.
Amazing, amazing design.
Super functional.
Right.
$599.99 is a today's showstopper, saving you $200. When you think about those 12 easy pays, $49.95. You can't even get a gym membership
Right?
at these prices. So within 1 year, it's completely covered and taken care of for you. There's 3 color options. Take a look at this light blue. Really love this. There is also the taupe, and we also have that all black option. So 3 different color choices. I kind of like this powder blue.
Right.
It really can complement so many different aesthetics at home, but it also just kind of jazzes it up a little bit more than the classic black.
Right, and the taupe is really, I think the taupe is the new black. It really is classic. It would fit in with most people's decor if you have any browns or beiges or grays. They are beautiful units. And again, the introduction of these slimline treadmills has not been years. This is a newer invention to be able to have a motorized treadmill with such a sleek design that comes to you fully assembled. Again, this is a great way to get those health benefits. Have you been told you have high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol levels? With this long winter, and today it's the grayest, wettest day we've had in a long time, does the weather affect your mood? So many of us are just...
Absolutely.
We're craving for spring to come around the corner. And research shows that a regular walking program can make you feel better, help with depression. Again, the list goes on and on. Truly, Maxine, if this was a pill or a vitamin drink, we'd be gulping it down. But I want to stress, I think in the past, we've all thought to get great health and fitness results that you had to be sweating profusely, be uncomfortable. But we are now, and it actually has its own acronym. It's called NEAT, NEAT activity, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. And this is all the movement that you do when you're not in exercise gear. So this is taking the stairs, this is sweeping the driveway, this is shoveling the snow, this is gardening, this is carrying the grandchildren. All those things that you do that burn calories. So can you imagine if every time you picked up your phone, I would suggest resting your phone on the table. This is where you're going to keep your phone from now on.
That's smart.
And whenever you pick it up, again, you're not running with your phone, and we all have done it. We have all walked around with a phone in our hand. Here, you are much more secure.
Right.
You're much more stable. You're not going to bump into things. Let's face it, we are very technology driven. And so we're looking for new ways to get more movement while doing the things that we love to do, whether it's watching your favorite television program or perhaps gaming. You poor gamers get picked on all the time. You can game and walk. Again, you just take the speed down and get your steps in while you're gaming, and you're going to get better gaming scores because it affects your brain as well as your body.
It's brilliant. The benefits of this movement, from walking, jogging, and working, you have such a wide range of speeds that you can really get into a pretty high pace or a nice leisurely pace. It's all there. This is the 3-in-1 treadmill, because you can have that bar completely down and slide it under a standing desk. You can have it in that traditional style or setting, but then you also have that work top that you can attach on top. So 3-in-1 treadmill is $599.99, which is 12 easy pays of just $49.99. This today's showstopper is a great option in 3 different colors: the taupe, the powder blue, and the black, because physical activity is one of the most important things that you can do for your health. Well, whether it's weight loss, mobility, healthy heart, it is all right there. So take advantage of this. Today's showstopper, it's item 107468 in those 3 different colors. The fact that there is an app that you can hold your tablet, you have all the controls at the touch of your fingertips, all for $599.99.